Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't hard reset. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I'm trying to do a hard reset to fix my Android phone, but it's freezing and won't turn off. I'm sure I pressed the correct buttons. I've tried doing the hard reset on my Android phone so many times. It's still not responding or rebooting. We understand that you might be facing the same Android phone hard reset not working problems when you reach here. No need to panic when you experience such issues. To save you out, we'll explain why and how to fix Android phone hard reset not working to get your device working again. Cause 1. Low battery power. The solution here is to ensure your Android phone is charged. Doing a hard reset needs an Android phone to own enough power to trigger and complete the process. If the Android phone hard reset doesn't work, it's likely that the battery is almost draining out. Thus, try plugging your Android phone into a wall outlet for 30 minutes or longer. Using the official and working cable, charger and power socket is the key to a successful charge. Once your Android phone is fully charged, attempt a hard reset and see if it works. Cause 2. Wrong buttons to hard reset an Android phone. The solution here is to follow the correct button combo. Unlike doing a restart, a hard reset can be triggered by button presses merely. Though, if you're not holding the correct buttons or if other unneeded buttons are pressed, it'll lead to hard reset not working on Android phone. To avoid this mistake, we've listed the official steps to hard reset Android phone covering the common brands. To hard reset a Samsung Galaxy, Oppo or Vivo phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To hard reset a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. To hard reset a Huawei, OnePlus or Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the brand logo, release the button. Cause 3. The phone system is stuck. The solution here is to use ADB commands to hard reset an Android phone. Aside from pressing buttons, you can also use ADB commands to initiate a hard reset. This method only works when the USB debugging feature is turned on your Android phone. It's a little bit complicated, but you can still give it a try. Get a computer, then download and install Android Debug Bridge. ADB. Connect your Android phone to the computer using a USB-C cable. Open a command prompt or terminal window. In Windows, press both the Windows key and R key. Type CMD in the opening dialog box, and press Enter. In Mac, press both Command and Spacebar. Type Terminal in the Spotlight search and press Enter. In Linux, press Ctrl, Alt and T key to open a terminal window. Then, navigate to the directory where ADB is installed. Type ADB reboot and press Enter. It will soon restart your Android phone. If your Android phone successfully boots up, it means the hard reset is working now. Cause 4. Software bugs arised from old OS. The solution here is to do a system update if available. An Android phone's hard reset feature sometimes can be interfered with by minor software bugs, especially when you're still using an old operating system. Thankfully, new update often comes with the troubleshooting fix to enhance your phone's performance. So, follow these steps to scan for available OS updates and upgrade if any. Make sure your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and has sufficient battery life. Then, go to Settings. Scroll down to find and tap System or Software Update option. If an update is available, you will be prompted to download the software. Once the update is downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Your Android phone will shut down and then turn back on during the installation process. After the update is completed, wait for your Android phone to start up. To test if hard reset is working on your Android phone, just press the correct buttons to trigger the process. Cause 5. Glitchy cache files or corrupted data. The solution here is to enter recovery mode. If the Android phone is up to date, the problem may well boil down to overloaded temporary files or underlying software conflicts. You can't hard reset an Android phone because these problems are too complicated to resolve by a simple hard reset. Therefore, you'll need to put the device into recovery mode to try advanced troubleshooting methods. Follow these steps, which cover the instructions for most common brands. Shut down your Android phone first. Connect your phone to a computer with a USB cable. Then, follow the corresponding steps for your Android phone brands to enter recovery mode. In a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. In recovery mode, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Cache Partition option and use the power button to select it. If it won't work, just repeat the steps and select Wipe Data. factory reset option to perform a factory reset. In a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press power button plus volume up button until the recovery mode screen appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe cache partition option and use the power button to select it. If it won't work, just repeat the steps and select wipe data, factory reset option to perform a factory reset. In a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the Huawei logo appears. Then in recovery mode, use the volume buttons to navigate to the wipe cache partition option and use the power button to select it. If it won't work, just repeat the steps and select wipe data, factory reset option to perform a factory reset. Hope the issue that hard reset is not working on Android phone is resolved successfully now. Cause 6. Broken volume or power button. The solution here is to contact manufacturer support. Maybe the volume or power button are broken and not responding to your presses at all. As a result, it makes you think Android phone hard reset does not work, because it's hardware related and requires specialized knowledge to repair. So, reach out to your phone's manufacturer support and seek professional help specific to your device model. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android phone that won't hard reset, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.